Okay. Naririnig niyo ba ako maayos? Can you hear me well? Daijoubu desu ka? Ayan, may konting tugtog. There's a little bit of sound. You can adjust the volume. Okay, on the others option. I will also pause that later. Okay, but anyway, I am Shannon and I will be your host for tonight in this event. Thank you so much for joining us as we celebrate our love for the Japanese language, music, and culture. For tonight's event is more than just a contest, diba? It's a chance for our students to express themselves, build confidence, and enjoy learning Japanese in a fun and meaningful way. Ayan. Alright, let me just pause this. Ako pala ang... Ayan, ako pala yung mismo nadidistract. Ayan, before we begin, I would like to introduce our wonderful judges who generously shared their time and expertise with us tonight. Ayan. Alright, first off, we have here Aris Sensei! Woo! Aris Sensei! Konbanwa! Ari Sensei, you can use the megaphone so that everyone can hear you. All right, it will be on the others option. Yes. All right. Ayan po. Ah, ayun po. Mag-guide na lang po kayo ni Nika-san habang ano. All right. Anyway, thank you so much for inspiring our students and being a part of this event. We also have here Ria Sensei. Ayan, Ria Sensei. Woo! Okay, Ria, since if you are speaking, you can also use your megaphone, all right, so that the students can hear you. Our guests, we have many guests coming here. Ayan, maybe you invited your friends. Yan, if you invited your friends, please do. Yeah, this is an open floor. All right. And last but not the least, we have Tanaka-san. Yes, thank you so much for your continued guidance and support. We are so happy to have you here tonight. Yay! Woo! All right. Okay. Ako lang yung sound effects. I am the sound effects. Ay- okay. Anyway, Ria Sensei is also here. Ayan. We can hear you now. Ayan, naka-megaphone na yun sila lahat. Alright. Okay, thank you so much. So let's give our judges a big virtual round of applause. Ayan, let us see your emojis there. Ayan. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, so now let's talk about the contest. Here are the guidelines and flow that you will be expecting from this contest. Okay, quick overview, just a quick overview. All right, so each contestant will have a 20 to 30-second song introduction, no, before they begin singing. All right, this will be followed by a live singing performance using their -1 or karaoke track. So yeah, basically a free concert. All right, and each performance will be up to 4 minutes only. Ayan. So our judges will be scoring based on pronunciation, vocal quality, expression and emotion, and overall impact. Ayan. All right. So we need the audience reaction for this one too, no? Oh, Ryu's is child also here. Wow. Hello, hello. Yay. Okay. So let's get started. Is everyone ready? Can I see, ano ba? Mga party emojis if everyone's ready. Woo! Yay. Very few people are ready. Okay, yes, we are ready. We are so ready. Yeah, thank you so much, everyone. Okay, so we will be starting with our first contestant. Okay, we will be starting with Joanna San. Okay, whenever you're ready, please come to the stage and share us a short introduction about your song, and then you may begin your performance. Can we see Joanna San? Joanna San, please come up to the stage. All right. Habang naglalakad pa, while walking, I think it will take time for Joanna-san to walk. Char, you can tell it. Ayan. All right. She started walking na. Little by little, little steps. All right. Okay. Okay. Ayan. Diyan lang po sa X. All right. Okay. And then we can use our mic. Joanna-san, could you please open your megaphone?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you po, pero please open your megaphone so everyone can
Megaphone.
hear. Yes. Mm.
Hmm. How about now po?
Yes, all right. Everyone can hear Joanna-san? Yes, can you give a thumbs up if everyone can hear? All right, thank you so much. Okay, Joanna-san, please take your time to introduce, have a short introduction, and start whenever you're ready. Best of luck.
Hello everyone. I'm Joanna, and I like to sing Mirai by Kiroro. So, it's just remind me of my friend. When I hear this song, I feel emotional. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, you may now start.
Okay, one moment. Where's my share screen? Wait lang po. Hello. Can you see my screen now?
Ah, yes po. All right, you may now start.
Okay, I'm nervous.
Go. Yay, let's go.
ほら、足元を見てごらん。これがあなたの歩む道。ほら、前を見てごらん。あれがあなたの未来。母がくれたたくさんの優しさ愛を抱いて夢と繰り返したあの時はまだ幼くて意味など知らないそんな私の手を握り一緒に歩んできた夢はいつも空高くあるから届かなくて怖いねだけど追い続けるの自分のストーリーだからこそ諦めたくない不安になると手を握り一緒に歩んできたその優しさを時には嫌がり離れた母へ素直になれずほら足元を見てごらんこれがあなたの歩む道ほら前を見てごらんあれがあなたの未来その優しさを時には嫌が ああ、素直になれず、ほら、足元を見てごらん。これがあなたの歩む道。ほら、前を見てごらん。あれがあなたの未来。ほら、足元を見てごらん。これがあなたの歩む道。ほら、前は見てごらん。あれがあなたの未来。未来へ向かってゆっくりと歩いてゆこう。That's all. Thank you po.
All right. Yay! Woo! Let's give Joanna-san a round of applause, everyone. Thank you so much, Joanna-san, for that wonderful performance. All right. Yes. Oh, we're getting a lot of reactions from everyone. Thank you so much. Okay, going on to our next contestant. May we call? Oh, Cecil-san. Is Cecil-san also here? We will continue with Cecil-san, or this has been changed. I think the list is not up. All right. Okay. Sorry about that. Oh, I'm so sorry it couldn't happen tonight, but maybe in our next event, right, Cecil-san? Anyway, for our next contestant, that would be Leisam. Leisam, please go to our stage. All right, and turn the mic on. You can please share a short introduction about your song, and you may begin your performance. Ayan.
こんばんは、皆さん。
Mm,
聞こえますか?
Hikoemasu.
Whew, let's go.
Yes, you can have your introduction first. Okay.
はい。皆さん、私はレイです。I chose First Love by Otada Hikaru because I wanted a song I could truly connect with while learning Japanese. I only started studying Nihongo last November. And of course, shout out to my classmates there. So I can see my classmates. Shout out to you all, guys. Thank you for the support. And this song is one of the few I can already feel and somehow understand. And for me, it expresses kanashi kimochi or sad feelings, if that's right, and natsukashi omoide or nostalgic memories of a first love. So the melody is beautiful and the whole song is just a masterpiece. It's one of the songs that made me fall even more in love with Japan. That's why I chose this for my piece. Hi, let me just share my screen. So I'm just going to share the entire screen. There you go. 頑張ります。よろしく。
競技種です。競技種です。
最後のキスはタバコのフレーバーがした苦くて切ない香り 明日の今頃には、あなたはどこにいるんだろう、誰を思ってるんだろう。You were always gonna be my love. いつか誰かとまた声に落ちても I remember to love you taught me how. You were always gonna be the one. 今はまだ悲しいラブソング、新しい歌歌えるまで。立ち止まる時間が動こ出そうとしてる。忘れたくないことばかりを、明日の今頃には、私はきっと泣いてるあなたを思ってるんだよ。Yeah, yeah, yeah. You will always be inside my heart. いつもあなただけの場所があるから。I hope that I have a place in your heart too. Now and forever you are still the one. 今はまだ悲しいラブソング、新しい歌歌えるまで。Oh, yeah. You were always gonna be my love. いつか誰かとまた声に落ちても I'll remember to love you taught me how. You were always gonna be the one. まだ悲しいラブソング、yeah. And now and forever. Ooh.
おー、
ありがとうございます。
All right. Woo, thank you so much, Ray-san. All
はい。
right. Thank you. Okay, that was a wonderful performance from Ray-san. Oh, a lot of reactions. Very supportive ng ating audience. Very supportive. I love it. Thank you so much, everyone. Wow, wonderful. And also, our contestants are really prepared for this. Wow, amazing. Thank you so much for your effort. Now, let's go to our next contestant. All right, our next contestant would be Lorenza. Hi. Please come to the stage. Okay. Yay. All right, Lorenza, please introduce your song and proceed to sing for us.
Okay. Hello. Hello. My name is Lorraine. Um, I've chosen the song "Zankoku na Tenshi no Teize" by Yoko Takahashi. Many people know this song because of its powerful anthemic sound. But beneath that energy is a deep, complex message that I really, really like. It basically speaks about the difficult choice we all face, like to live passively or to embrace the pain and responsibility of truly becoming an adult and fighting for your future. So I chose this song because it reminds us that even when life seems impossible, we have to keep moving forward, take risks, and never let go of our hope. And also, this anime is also one of my comfort animes, which is Neon Genesis Evangelion. So I hope you guys enjoy. Wait.
Oh, let's share that sound.
残酷な天使のように oh wait wait lang po. I cannot hear the sound. I'm so sorry. Okay. Take two, take two. 残酷な天使のように少年よ死ぬあになれ青い風が目のドア私だけをただ見つめて微笑んでるちょっと触れるもの求める細い宇宙で見たえ知らないいただいてない人だけどいつ先僕でしょうその背中には遥か未来目指すための羽があること自分とが敵の手で窓辺からやって飛び飛ばして熱いまたで思い出を裏切るんだ空を抱いて輝く少年よしの兄眠って私の愛の指角あなただけが夢の汽車に呼ばれる朝が細い日明かりが映してる世界中の僕を込めてどっとしたいけども星の二つ会えた時があるなら私はそう自由を知ったのバイブル正しいの形その夢に目覚めた時誰よりも光の放つ少年よ日の輪になれ実は愛を紡ぎながらキスをするなんてなれないまま私は生きるだ時の手であのからやがて飛ぶ言葉する熱いパックで思い出を裏切るなら捉えたい輝くはい、ありがとうございます。
聞こえます。はい、こんばんは、ジェイク君です。The song that I chose for tonight is called Amito Petra or Rain and Petra by Balloon. It's a song that reminds me of before entering here in JPLT. I was in a rather state of emotional stagnation. I've been trying to. I managed to get out of it at that time. This song explains the emotional stagnation and seeing hope despite all those hardships. So, yeah.誰かが言ったいつか空は灰になって落ちるって妄想の世の中で日々を食らっている境界線を引いてしまう共感覚のせいにして街の日の海で居場所を探しているどこへ行くにもこの足は退屈に染まって動かない少しだけ先の景色がたいだけなのにな雨が降ったらきっと頬を濡らしてしまう枯れてしまった色ですら愛しくなるのに目をつむったらもっと遠く霞んでしまううるさくなった雨の音笑い飛ばしてくれ誰かが言ったいつかため夜に化けて歌を歌う妄想の世の中で日々を食らっている優しい嘘をなぞったせいで離れる公園気づかない溶けた月が足元に落ちて静かに揺れていた夜が降ったらきっと、動画を責めてしまう。満たされない日々の底で夢を見ているだけ。目をそらしてもずっと、後悔の愛の隙間、通り残されてしまう前に、手を伸ばしてくれ。雨が降ったらきっと、雨が降ったらきっと、湿るアスファルト、背に映して紡いだ。一人ぼっちでまた味に期待をして雨が降ったらきっと頬を責めてしまう枯れてしまった色ですら愛しくなるのに目をつむったらもっと遠く霞んでしまううるさくなった雨の音笑い飛ばしてくれありがとうございます。
おー
pronunciation. Everyone's, singing their hearts out. And yeah, I'm just having a ball so far.
Oh,
Thank you so much.
yes, thank you so much, Ria Sensei. Yes, we are so happy to hear. I hope the audiences are also having a ball, having fun so far. Enjoying the free concert we're getting. I am personally enjoying myself. Yes. Okay. Oh, is Aya-san ready now? Could you please open your
Um,
mic? Nakamute pa po tayo.
is it on na po?
Yes. All right. We can hear
Thank you
you.
po. Okay, hi,
Alright.
I'm Aya. I've been self-teaching Japanese through idol variety shows and anime. I'm actually a huge fan of idols, and I chose to perform Betelgeuse by Yuri. I heard this song a couple months ago, and I saw Noguchi Iori from the idol group Equal Love create a cover of this, and her performance really moved me. So I hope to convey those same emotions that she did in her cover. ちょっと緊張してけど頑張ります. Also, I'm so sorry for any weird background noises in advance. Thank you. Okay. 君がいつだってそこにいてくれること君と会えるよ君がいつだってそこにいてくれること君とそれは星の光と同じように君泣いたり笑ったり繋いでゆく 何十か何百回ぶつかり合って何十年何百年昔の光が僕自身も忘れた頃に僕らを照らしてる僕ら見つけ合ってたぐり合って同じ空輝くのだって二人だって約束した遥か遠く終わらないベテルギウス誰かにつなぐ魔法どこまでいつまで生きられるか君が不安になるたびに強がるんだ大丈夫僕は横にいるよ見えない線をつなぐ付き合ってたぐり合って同じ空輝くのだって二人だって約束した遥か遠く終わらないベテルギウス誰かにつなぐ魔法終わらないベテルギウス君にも見えるだろう祈りが空にある何かを見つめてたらそれは星だって君が教えてくれた
Ooh, all right. Thank you so much, Aya-san. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you
Wonderful
so much.
performance.
ありがとうございます。
Arigato gozaimasu. Okay, thank you so much. Is everyone, did you hear that? Everyone? All right, are we okay? Okay, yes. Thank you so much. So, we are now going to our last participant. Yes, last but not the least. Here it comes. She-san. She-san, could you please come up to the stage? I don't know if I pronounced your name correctly. She-san. She. She. Ah. Alright, please come to the stage. Birthday is fine. Can you please turn on
Konbanwa, minasan.
Teka lang po. Yung megaphone niyo po, ako lang po ata nakakarinig sa inyo. Turn niyo po muna. Please turn on your mic. Your megaphone mic.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Ayan. Alright. Hi. Everyone can hear siya, right? Okay.
Ay,
Hi.
konbanwa, minasan.
Mm.
Yeah, I chose First Love by Hikaru Otada to sing for you. It's a classic reflecting on a past significant first love, vowing it will always be my love and the one despite time passing. Just like my ex-husband, who is my first love, even we're broken apart, we made great memories together no matter how time passes. I will always still love my first love the most. I want him back with me sometimes when I'm dreaming, regretting of letting him go so easily. I wish I could have done something better to fix the breakup or problem. I shouldn't have let him go, and now I realize that nobody can replace the dad of my children. It will be always him and will always will be. So this song I will sing for you is dedicated to my long lost husband, my first love. Okay, I will share my screen. Can you hear it? Sa iyon no Kisu ataba Kono feo tagashita Setsu nai kaori. 明日の今頃にはあなたはどこにいるんだろうなら You are always gonna be around. It's so good. America I remember to love you taught me how. You are always gonna be the one. Imawa mana karashi yasana. 新しい歌歌えるまで Maru jikaそうてしてる忘れたくないことばかり No, no 明日の今頃には私はきっと泣いてるあなたを思ってるなら Yeah, yeah, yeah. You will always be inside my heart. It's so warm. あなただけの場所があるから I hope that is in your heart too. Now and forever you are still the one. You are the Sheila, you so 新しい歌歌えるまで You are always beside my love. It's so good. 誰かとまた恋に落ちても I remember to love. You taught me how. You're always gonna be the one. I she now and forever. Arigato gozaimasu.
Okay, yay! Thank you so much, Hassan. Woo! For that wonderful performance. All right, okay. So we've listened to all the contestants that we have for tonight. Thank you so much, everyone, for participating in our karaoke contest. All right, did everyone hear the wonderful voices of our contestants? Grabe, kabado pa yan. They were nervous, but we only heard greatness. Panis, sabi. Ayan. Okay. So, I believe the judges are all ready. Oh, wait. Let me just share my screen para may nakikita pa din kayo. Chotomati. Ayan. Okay. Yan. So, we are now moving to our judges' deliberation. Okay. While our judges take a few minutes to finalize their scores, let's all relax and enjoy a short recap. Okay, you may also take this time to think about which performance stood out to you the most for our audience's peak. Yes, yung inyong favorite. Ayan. So you will also get the chance to vote, guys. All right? Not only our judges because we have yung ating audience's pick. All right? I wonder. Ayan. You have to send to Nika-san your choices. Okay, and let's see who is the final winners of our singing contest. Okay, ayan. Before we move on to our final results, okay, let us hear from Ari Sensei. Ari Sensei, what do you think about the performances so far?
はい、皆さん、こんばんは。皆さん、聞こえますか？はい、皆さん、まずは、とっても楽しかったですよね、皆さん。So,
Mm.
very enjoyable, 皆さん. I didn't expect I will enjoy this much with your performance tonight. Every one of you, 皆さんね。競技者の、歌声はとてもすごいですよね。So, the contestant, all of the contestants singing voice, ne? So you are all good, 皆さん. Um, so whoever wins tonight, ne? So of course, congratulations to him or to her. You did your best, but all of you guys, I know you did your best, and it's very enjoyable to hear every one of you, 皆さん, ne?
All
Right?
right.
And okay,
Yes po.
shall I say, are we going to say our
No.
message to them?
Speech?
Hi, my
Do you
message to them. Okay,
do you have a
so
message for them? Okay, hi.
yeah. Hi, minasang. So, so I just want to say, minasang, ne? So, um, I've been teaching at least almost 2 years now, ne? And you know what, minasang, some of the students, ne? So, some of them, of course, love Japanese language, ne? So, most of them. But some of them, minasang, they were forced to study the Japanese language because they are going to work there. Ne? And minasang, because of this contest that we have, and you guys showed up. Ne? You guys showed up. And you guys sing. And I mean, singing through your heart, the Japanese language. So it shows minasang, you guys are not forced to study this language. I mean, I think in the bottom of your heart, you really love the language and their culture. And I applaud you with that, minasang. So keep on improving, minasang. And yeah, so let's enjoy all learning the culture and study the Japanese language. Hi,
All
again,
right.
congratulations, minasan. Ne? See you
Yeah.
guys in some of you guys are my students, but of course, minasang, I didn't base this my scores with some of my students.
No
All right.
favoritism. No favoritism.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Fair,
I
fair,
scored
fair.
because of you how you sing. Ne? Hi.
All right. Thank you
Back
so
with
much, Ari
the
Sensei. Yeah, and good luck, everyone. Okay. Hi. How about from Ria Sensei? Ria Sensei, is there anything? How was the performances for you?
はい、聞こえますか皆さん。
Hi. 聞こえます。
はい。
Yeah.
今日、歌ってくれた1、2、3、4、5、6人の皆さん、ジョアナさん、レイさん、ロレーヌさん、ジェイクさん、アヤさん、シーさん、本当にありがとうございます。楽しく聴かせていただきました。で、so the six of you, you guys just didn't perform tonight. And look at all these people supporting you guys. And you guys inspired all of us, like, of course, singing in front of people is really nerve wracking, but, you guys really sang your hearts out. And, I'm sure at least some of the audience, is thinking, oh, I should have participated too. So yeah, you guys inspired us. Really, thank you so much. はい、以上です。
Hi. Arigatou gozaimasu, Ria Sensei. Wow. Thank you so much. Okay. How about Tanaka-san? Let's hear from Tanaka-san. What do you think about our performers?
はい、みんなどうもありがとう。まず、みんなの歌のチョイスが素晴らしいです。
Yes, everyone's song choice was great. Yes.
エヴァンゲリオンとか宇多田ヒカルとかすごいですよね。
Evangelion, yes. Favorite songs. Very classic.
日本の歌はやっぱりすごく難しい。歌うとトリッキーだと思うんですね。
Japanese
うん。
songs are difficult and
う
tricky.
ん。イントネーションとかアクセントとかがデイリーカンバセーションとも違うし。
So it's very different from daily conversations, the intonation and tone
うん。
when
で
it comes
も、
to
す
speaking.
っごく上手かったです。もう、すごく練習したんだと思います。
So Tanaka-san thinks that everyone really practiced hard for this event.
うん。とっても楽しかったです。皆さんすごい、いいパフォーマンスでした。どうもありがとうございます。
Hi, arigato gozaimasu. So Tenasan really enjoyed and he thought that everyone's performances were great. Yes, thank you so much for our judges. All right, very motivating, very encouraging. Ayan, baka may na-encourage. Maybe somebody here got encouraged to sing more. Well, do we need a little bit of intermission? Hmm? Maybe one extra performance? Hmm? Oh, do we have a special? Baka may gusto. One person. We can ask one person. I think we have a little bit of time to have one person surprise performance. You can go come up to the stage. Okay, first one to come up to the stage can get a free performance. Yes, go to the X mark. Ayan, ayan na. All right, we have Samsung. Wow. All right, we have a surprise intermission from Samsung. Wow, let's give her a round of applause for coming up to the stage. Grabe. All right, can Samsung open her mic as well? Like, have a microphone open?
Hello po.
Ayan, hello po. I think I can hear you, pero hindi po with everyone. You
Ah,
have to open your megaphone.
saan po yun?
Okay, dun po sa others. Wait lang po Ayan. Could you check your, di ba dun sa baba, share
Ah,
screen tapos others. Ayan. May megaphone po dun. Alright. Thank you so much for your time, Samson. Although this is a surprise performance from Samson. So because we have a little bit of time and also I believe nabitin. I think some people here really wants more to hear more performances. Okay. Samson, if you're ready, you can please go ahead.
wait lang po. Malinaw po ba boses ko?
Yes po.
Wait, paano po mag-screen share?
Sa baba po. Ayan. Tapos sa share tab. Ayan. Okay. Alright, ang daming supporters. Samsung has a lot of supporters here on our chat as well. Grabe. Okay.
Ayan.
Okay. Hi.
Wala
Alright,
pong
please.
warm up.
It's okay. Hi. You can go ahead.
Rinig po? Rinig po ba siya? Wala, di ko alam kung rinig. 多重なステージ乾くほど願い水が一つたい誰かにかなうこんなステージ長寿を示す for you 周平線が中も何度くじかれてもその希望を手に僕ら波をって翼を見せろと叫ぶだけだ We'll let you know this time Can you bring me down back up Get far up the sky Black strawberry sky 共に見よう今は黒に染めようそんな世界 today Black Rover 何回もって見えるの耳ない試しても見ない誰かあがなう昔だって Tube that shovel of them careless of the do that
明日を都線から覚めはテレビに並ぶのが増えその希望を手に僕ら波を追って翼を見せろと叫ぶんだけど When you let you know this time Can you bring me down Get up, get far up the sky Let go where it's got 共に目を見まわ黒に染めようこんな世界 today Let go 今日の間に僕ら並べたって今から扉を開くから Just open your eyes like us. Just open your hearts like us. Just open the world like us. We know we are reckless. Just open your eyes like us. Just open your hearts like us. Just open the world like us. Don't stay, don't play. Get down, we all let you know this time. Can you bring me down? Back up, get far off the sky. Let go where it's got. 共に目を見まわ黒に染めようとな世界 today Let go my blue 今日の間に僕ら並べたって今から扉を開くから Let's go next stage
Woo! All right. Thank you so much, Samsan, for that special performance. All right. Asan yung mga kamay ninyo? Where are your hands? Okay, yan. Wow. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Okay, so now we are all ready to proceed for the awarding ceremony. Wow. Okay, I hope everyone is ready. And also, everyone has taken their audience pick. Okay, so because we are now going to the awarding. Yay! Thank you so much for waiting, everyone. Our judges have now finalized their results. So before we announce the winners, I would like to say how proud we are all of our contestants. They really made an effort to reach this point and perform their best in front of everyone. No, it's quite, of course, it was nerve wracking and everyone's nervous, but they performed really well. No, each performance tonight showed courage, effort, and love for the Japanese music. Okay, so before we go on to the champions and all the ranking, let's go with our audience's pick. Ayan. Nakaboto na ba kayo? Did y'all vote? Okay. And our top audience's pick goes to... Wala bang drum roll? Paano mag-drum roll? B ba yun? B? Ay, mali. Ay, drum roll na lang mano-mano. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Lorraine San! Woo! Yay! Ayan, pambato. Yes, Lorraine San is our audience's pick. Okay. Ayan, pwede na po tayo pumunta sa stage and sa gilid para po nakahilera yung mga winners natin later. Ayan, thank you so much for voting, guys. Congratulations, Lorraine San. Now, let's go to our second runner-up. Our second runner-up receiving 500 pesos and 1 month free of study here in JPLT is... Ano daw ulit yung drum roll? Letter D. Ayan, letter D. Joanna-san! Woo! Yay! Joanna-san, please come up to the stage para may kasama si Lorraine Sam. Okay. Ayan ang ating second runner-up. Okay. Okay, grabe. No, very, very hot ang ating battle. Battle? Okay. So, for our first runner-up. Oh my God, malapit-lapit na. Raysan! Woo! Raysan is our second runner-up, receiving 700 pesos. Oh, what am I hearing? Ayan, receiving 700 pesos and 1 month free of lessons here in JPLT. Wow, grabe. Okay, so far, our champion, the champion, singing contest champion of JPLT this 2025, receiving 1,000 pesos and 1 month free here in JPLT. Jake Kunsao! Woo! Let's give them a round of applause. Congratulations to our winners. Ayan. Wow. For our champions, first runner-up and second runner-up, audiences pick. Congratulations. Well done, everyone. Okay, so let's hear a little bit of feedback from our from our winners. Ayan. Maybe Lorraine San, starting with Lorraine San, can you give us some message since being the top audience pick?
um, thank you to my fans attending today.
Shout out.
Shout out to my fans today. Thank you for the support. Yes, I enjoyed singing today. I hope you guys keep on supporting me. Yeah, thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Ay, arigato gozaimasu. Woo, thank you. Congratulations, Lorraine San. How about Joanna San, our second runner-up?
Opo, can you hear me?
Yes.
All I can say is thank you everyone po, and thank you judges for voting me as a second runner-up. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Hi, congratulations. Omedetou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu, Joanna San. Here we have our first runner-up, Ray-san. Yeah. Ray-san, could you
Hello,
please... Yeah. Hi.
Hi. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much, everyone. And thank you for the judges. Of course, I didn't expect this. I'm really grateful to be a part of this event and even winning it. Right? So that's all. And if you want me to sing more, I will sing more later.
Wow. Wait, my free performance for the series.
Enjoy, nag-enjoy.
We got his word. We got word from Ray-san. I will take note of that.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Hi, arigatou gozaimasu. Congratulations, Ray-san. And for our champion. Okay, let's give a round of applause for our champion. Can you let us know what you think, Jake-san?
Arigatou gozaimasu, Minu-san. Thank you very much, judges din po. I actually didn't expect them to win. Pero, salamat. Thank you po.
All right. Thank you so much, everyone. And congratulations to all our winners and also to all of the participants. Okay? Lahat po kayo ay winner dahil meron din po kayo ma-receive. Okay? Congratulations to everyone. Every single participant did their best. Okay? All contestants will receive e-certificates which will be sent to you after the event. Okay? I am. And also, ayan, sorry, wait a moment. Ayan. So before we officially end tonight's event, let's take a group photo, screenshot together. So please turn on your cameras, okay? If you can, please do. All right, para sama-sama tayo sa stage. Sama tayo sa mga bilang fans. Yes. Woo! Pa-picture po. Pa-picture tayo. Ayan, Ria Sensei, Ari Sensei, Tanaka-san, we can go to the stage. Those audiences, come on. Here's a stage. Pa-picture tayo as a group. Ayan, if you can open your cameras as well, that would be wonderful. Admin, pa-support po. Ayan. Ria Sensei, kimashita. Ria Sensei, please join us here on stage. Shasan, Joy-san, please join us to the stage para mag-picture tayong sa lahat. Ayan. Ay, dami. Hina. Okay, ayan. Sino pong pwedeng mag-picture? Nandito po ba si admin?
Here po.
Ayan, nag-open din sila ng camera po.
Bali, on my screen, let's stay open. Huh?
Open lang daw po. Yeah, keep it open.
Please stay open your camera. So I can only see for 12 people at once on my screen. I can see Jake-san, Shannon-san, She-san, Ray-san, Ari Sensei, Rie Sensei, Tanaka-san, and Joanna-san. So in the count of 3, let's take a picture. 1, 2, 3. Hi, thank you very much. Okay, next page po. I am seeing Pauro-san, Miko-san, Shido-san, Jonariri-san, Choco-san, Mari-san, Joke-san, Rei-fan-san, Allen P-san. Hi, wait a moment. Lapit lang po ako sa...
That's all? Akala ko dami. Ayan. All right. Thank you so much for joining the photo screenshot together. Please be advised that this will be posted on our page. All right. You can post it on your Facebook as well so that you can share us. Thank you all for joining us tonight and continuing to celebrate Japanese language and culture with us, JPLT. Yes, and thank you so much for joining. Kahit nanood lang kayo, kahit bumoto lang kayo, or if you participated in singing, thank you so much, everyone. We hope to see you again in our future events. Until next time, otsukare-sama deshita, and good night, everyone. Otsukare, arigatou gozaimasu, minasan. Bye-bye. Woo. Yay! Arigatou gozaimasu. Mata ne.
ね
Arigatou gozaimasu, Tanaka-san.
はい、
Thank
じゃ
you
あ
so much,
ね
Ari Sensei. Thank you so much, Ria Sensei. Bye bye. Oh, bye bye, Ria Sensei, baby. Ayan. Oh, if you wanna stay here and talk